Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. I have some big news, lots of news, different news, some good, some bad. But the first piece of information I need to let you know is we are selling the Subaru. I don't want to do it. I'm really upset about it, but we don't have a choice. We aren't selling the WRX though. So the WRX isn't going anywhere. We are selling the Crosstrek. Now I'm still bummed about it though, because we had a lot of plans for the Crosstrek. Basically, I was eventually going to try and get my hands on the FA24 and swap it into this, and we were going to take my FA20 and swap it over into the Crosstrek. And you know, there was a lot of stuff that we wanted to do to the car, and now we're not going to get to do it. You know, so we might end up getting another one sometime down the road. But you know, basically, we're on our way now to sell the car, and a couple hours from now, we will be picking up a Penske truck with a trailer, and we are putting the WRX on the trailer, and we are driving probably 20-ish hours down to Florida. So we are moving. That's why the garage has looked like crap, and I've kind of been patchy with videos and everything lately. It's just been hard to try and put out content because I've been so busy packing and moving and trying to see my friends and family before we take off. It's been crazy, it's been hectic, it's been stressful, but you know, in less than 72 hours we'll be in Florida. So I'm really excited for that, and so by the time you guys are seeing this video, I'll already be down there. But once we get home, after we sell the Crosstrek, I'm gonna let you guys in on some information here. Well, here she is. This will be the last time we see her, so it's been nice knowing you. Well, we are in the truck now. Got the Penske truck. We are loading it up as we speak, and we will be departing Pennsylvania tomorrow morning at around 4 a.m. So it'll be fun. Everything ready to go here. Got the trailer hooked up. Car's sitting here ready to go. Got to load the car up later on, put the cover on it, and should be ready to go. So we started throwing some boxes in there. I'm ready to get on the road, get out of here. This is a really big change for me. I've been wanting to move to Florida for years, and I'm finally able to tell you guys why I'm moving down there. So I am actually going to be moving down there and working for Import Image Racing and NOM Industries. So if you don't know, that's Silver Suspension, Cosmos Racing Wheels, Import Image Racing, all those companies. And I'm really excited to do media for them and with them and partner up with other people, and it's going to be a fun experience. I'm really excited for it, and it'll be a new chapter in my life. So, you know, if you aren't already, go ahead, go over to Import Image Racing, follow their Instagram, subscribe to their YouTube channel. You're going to end up seeing me there. I'll be running a lot of that stuff, and we're still going to be posting on my channel too. So don't go anywhere. You'll still see a lot of stuff on my channel. It might just take a little bit because obviously we're going to have, it's very expensive to move, and once we do get down there, you know, I'm going to be pressed for time for a little bit. You know, we're going to be trying to catch up on a bunch of stuff. But like I said, go over and subscribe to their channel if you aren't already. And, you know, we're going to be putting out a lot of stuff really fast, I think. So there's a lot of stuff we got to get caught up on. So it's going to be fun. It's going to be hectic, but it's going to be fun. So I can't wait to get over there, meet all the guys, and get started. I put a lot of time into making this mini fridge look nice. And
I'm leaving them on.
He's taking this from me.
You
don't even like cars.
You piece of shit.
Look what he drives. Look. Do you see that?
It's got custom headlights. You tinted the taillights for me. It's got a custom plastic dip trim on the trunk. We'll go look at it. Yeah, remember those smoky taillights?
Woo! Oh yeah, I did tint these taillights. She looking good, boy.
Yeah, oh, now because you did it, it's looking fine.
Guys, this is the hardest part, man. Saying goodbye to all your friends. Leaving a place, you know, you left so many memories. It sucks. It really sucks. You know, I met a lot of friends here. This garage alone, you know, has so many memories. I really kicked off my channel in this garage, and I had so many good memories with friends and family, you know, and the memories are endless here, you know, just having friends over and working on the cars together and having fires out back. And it's really gonna suck. It's gonna be a hard transition. It's really gonna be tough leaving everybody, but I know that, you know, this is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, and I know that this is a sacrifice, you know, that I have to make, you know, but hopefully it's gonna pay off, and hopefully, you know, this is my dream, you know, it's my dream come true, and nothing comes for free, you know, you always got to make sacrifices. So I got the car loaded up, I got the truck loaded up, we're ready to head out first thing in the morning. So I got to get some good sleep tonight because I got a long drive ahead of me tomorrow. We're going to be stopping halfway, and then we're going to be finishing the trip up the following day. So I got the cover on the car, I got the truck loaded up, we're all ready to go. So I gotta drive this freaking giant pig tomorrow. It's getting 8 miles. They got 8 miles to the gallon on average on my trip to pick it up to the house, and that was with an empty truck and an empty trailer. And now I got it fully loaded. So I bought this car cover for the car. I bought it on eBay. It was real cheap because I didn't have a whole lot of money to dump into just a car cover, but I actually ended up tearing right down here where the strap goes, so hopefully it don't fly off while I'm driving. But for the most part, the car is fully secured. It's got the strap going around. It's got a chain going around the frame on the front and the back. I had to lift the car up. The coilovers, I had to pretty much max them out as high as I could get them to get the car on the trailer, because I was actually bottoming out right here. You can see where it took chunks of plastic off of my car. Right there, I was just scraping. So I lifted the car up, got clearance, just enough clearance to get the thing on, got it all strapped down, ready to go. So, well, we're at our first stop in Richmond, Virginia. Made it about 4 hours of the trip, and the car cover didn't hold up too well, so I just pulled it off, put it in the trunk. Gonna eat something, hit the road again. Well, we made it halfway. Probably have about 7 more hours in the morning, and then we'll be there. So it was a long drive, and we still have basically half the trip left, but oh well. We get up early enough tomorrow, we'll beat most of the work traffic, and I think we'll be okay. All right, it's the next morning. We are at the Florida Welcome Center. Almost there. Well guys, I've been slacking. We made it down. We unpacked the entire truck. We got loaded up into our apartment. Everything's good. I stopped at Import, dropped off my toolbox and stuff. Now it's just a matter of getting some furniture. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video here. We've been down here for about 2 full days now. Been a lot of unpacking and just getting stuff together. It's been a really long last couple of days, but we're down here. We're moved in, everything's good to go, and I should be starting over at Import Image Racing here really soon. So thank you guys for your time, thank you for watching, you know, and I'll see you again on the next video.